Today we'll be making a flash trainer. Now to do this, you'll want to resize your form to a rough estimate of what you're going to use. And to actually add the flash, you go to components, and then you go down to shockwave flash. Click add, apply, OK. Now you do this, add it to a rough estimate again. But since we don't actually know the exact width, nor do we know the exact height, we're going to have to go to an actual flash game and look at the dimensions. So I've chosen Sinjid, Shadow of the Warrior. You wait till it loads, and go to View Page Source, which is Control U. Search for an SWF, Control F. Now you also want a notepad open, just to take little notes on it. Now you go over here, width, height, 600 by 470. There you go, you're done with this. Now you can go back to your project. Now, you will notice that these numbers are outrageously huge. That is because they're actually times 15 of what it actually is. So to get the width, we're going to do 600 times 15, which is 9,000, which we're pretty close on. Now you resize the form to fit the actual new shockwave flash. And now we do the height, which is 470 times 15, 7,050. 7050. Alright, so now you resize it to fit that. And this may look big, but it's really not. So we're going to add a hack now. Add a command button, which I just clicked on. And we're going to name this one Make Me Level 200. Now these variables that we're going to use are actually found in another tutorial that I will put up later. So you'll go swf.setVariable, or actually it's not going to be swf because we have not renamed our shockwave flash yet. So you'll go up here, click on that, and name, double click and highlight it all. Type in swf, just to make it a little shorthand so it doesn't require so much typing. Now you do swf dot set variable space variable name comma value. Since we're trying to do level, in this particular game it is level as the actual variable name. I set it to 200. Now if you play this, you'll notice that you forgot to actually load a game. So we're going to do that now. You double click on any blank area in the form and do swf.movie is equal to quotation marks, and then you add the actual URL. So, and then you load it again. You see that it actually works. Just click all through this, and level 1, level 200, and you've successfully made your first hack. To rename the, and I'm just going to teach you some basics here. To rename the form, you can go down to caption, you can rename it Sinjid, Shadow of the Warrior Trainer. And to make it by you, right click up here, go to Project 1 Properties, make company name, and Snowfox, just because that's who it's by. And to make the actual exe, go to make project1.exe. And you also can do save project as, which will make it so you can open this later and edit it. And that is it for today's tutorial.